Okay, so for question 6, we're asked to find the sum of vectors A, B, and C. So we can see here the vectors A, we see B, and we also see C. Now, in order to find the sum of these, what you would have to do is create a vector that will go from the tail of the first to the head of the last. This would be the sum, vector S. So we can see that vector S goes 2 units in the x direction, in the positive x direction, and 1 unit in the negative y direction. So this vector would be written as plus 2ux minus ux. This signifies, here is a y. This signifies that it's going plus 2 units in the x direction, and this signifies that it's going negative 1 units in the y direction.